podcast contains strong
Whether it's
language
morning,
which
noon,
may
or
be
night,
offensive
the
to
Learn,
some.
Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. Now, can I ask you, what exactly is holding you back from making all those dreams of yours come true? What can I help you with that can help take your life to that higher level? If you and me can work together and get your next big adventure up and running, drop me a text message on 07801 543 515 or book your free 30-minute call at ldlcall.com. Let's talk soon, but first, here is today's quote. Believe yourself. So you have this incredible idea, this great plan of yours, and you want to make something big happen. Something incredible, because you know it could be something really special. But wait, there's doubt. There's always going to be some sort of doubt, because it's natural for the mind to do this to you. The comfort zone is, well, it's too comfy. But you know nothing was ever achieved inside that comfort zone, so step out. So it's simple. Believe yourself that this will work, and you'll probably even surprise yourself.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.